Welcome to Bali, the island of the gods. A place where ancient temples rise from jungle-covered hills, and the sound of crashing waves blends with distant chants carried by the wind. From the moment you arrive, you feel something different in the air, a sense of calm, of spirit, of timeless beauty. Wander through lush green rice terraces in Ubud, where every step feels like a walk through a living painting. The vibrant emerald fields are more than just scenery, they reflect a deep connection between the Balinese people and their land, cultivated with care, harmony, and tradition. As the sun rises, Mount Agung, Bali's sacred volcano, casts a golden light over the island, awakening both nature and spirit. It's here, among the quiet mountain villages, that time seems to slow down, inviting you to breathe, to reflect, to be present. Down at the coast, life flows with a different rhythm. In Canggu, surfboards glide over turquoise waves, and cafe culture meets the scent of the sea. While in Uluwatu, ancient temples perch dramatically on cliffs, watching over the Indian Ocean, a place where sunsets set the sky ablaze. The beaches of Bali are as diverse as the island itself, from the party vibe of Seminyak to the untouched black sands of the north, every shore tells a different story. Take a moment to walk barefoot along the tide, and feel the world slow down beneath your feet. But Bali is more than just landscapes. It's a feeling, a quiet joy that lives in the smiles of its people, in the gentle offerings placed daily at doorsteps, and in the soft sound of gamelan music echoing through the trees. In traditional villages, rituals take place not for show, but from the heart, a reflection of a living culture that welcomes all who come with open minds and open hearts. Whether you seek adventure or peace, Bali offers both. You can climb waterfalls hidden in the jungle, dive into crystal-clear reefs, or simply sit under the stars and listen to nature breathe. Retreats in the jungle call to those looking for stillness. And healing traditions, from massage to meditation, help reset both body and soul. Don't forget the flavors. Balinese cuisine is a feast of color and spice, from sizzling sauté skewers to the rich, comforting taste of nasi campur. Every meal here is a celebration of the earth, of the community, of life itself. Bali is not just a destination, it's a journey inward and outward. A place where you don't just see beauty, you feel it. In the air. In the earth. In every breath you take. So wherever you are now, let this video be your window to paradise. And if you ever feel the call of the unknown, know that Bali will be here, waiting. Subscribe to the channel and join me in discovering the world's most soulful destinations, one journey at a time.